Hi guys, this is Maryam from Crochet Tutorial, and today with these 3 colors of yarn we're going to make this beautiful motif. I used 3.5mm crochet hook, yarn needle and scissors. Let's get started. To begin, grab your first color and make a knot and chain 4. One, 2, 3, 4. Make a slip stitch to the first chain, both loops of the first chain, to create a circle. Like this, and make 8 single crochets inside the ring. 1, and grab this short tail along with you to hide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Make a slip stitch to the first single crochet. Now make a popcorn stitch into this same stitch that we're in. To create a popcorn stitch, we should make 5 double crochets into the same stitch. My first double crochet in every row is a single crochet plus 2 chains. This is my single crochet and 2 chains. This counts as our first double crochet. Make 4 more double crochets to have 5 in total. 3, 4, and 5. Now pull your yarn up like this and remove your hook. Insert it into the first double crochet. Our first double crochet was a single crochet plus 2 chains. Insert it into that second chain, both loops of that second chain. Grab this loop and pull it through to create a popcorn stitch. Then chain 1 and make another popcorn stitch into the next stitch. You should make 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Pull this loop up, remove your hook, insert it into the first double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert it and grab the loop and pull it out. Then chain 1. And then make a popcorn stitch into any stitch that you have. I'll be back when I have 8 popcorn stitches. At the end of the row, chain 1 and make a slip stitch into the first popcorn stitch. Then chain 1 and cut the yarn. This is how it looks like at the end of row 2. Row 3, grab your second color and insert your hook into any of those chain 1 spaces. I want to insert it here. Grab the yarn and pull it through. Take this short tail and chain 1 to secure. Now make 3 double crochets into the same stitch. My first double crochet is a single crochet plus 2 chains. 1, 2, and 3. chain 1 and make 3 double crochets into the next chain 1 space. 1, 2 and 3. Chain 1, make 3 double crochets into the next space. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1 and make 3 more double crochets into the same stitch, into the same space. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1, make 3 double crochets into the next chain 1 space. 1, we're turning that circle into a square. 2 and 3. Chain 1, 3 double crochets into the next chain 1 space. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1 and 3 more double crochets into the same chain 1 space. 2 and 3. Chain 1, 3 double crochets into the next chain 1 space. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1, 3 double crochets into the next chain 1 space. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1, 3 more double crochets into the same space. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1, 3 double crochets into the next chain 1 space. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1 and make 3 double crochets into the first chain 1 space that we had 3 double crochets in it. So make 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1 and make a slip stitch to the first double crochet that we had. Our first double crochet was a single crochet plus 2 chains. Make it into that second chain. So this way we have 6 double crochets with a chain 1 space between this group. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. This is the end of row 3. Row 4, grab your next color and we should attach it into any of those chain 1 spaces between the group of 6. In each edge, in all 4 edges, we have 3 double crochets, chain 1, 3 double crochets into the same stitch. So insert it into this chain 1 space between the group of 6, grab it and pull it through, and chain 1 to secure. Now we should have 3 double crochets, chain 1, 3 double crochets into the same stitch. My first double crochet is a single crochet plus 2 chains. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1 and make 3 more double crochets into the same stitch. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 1, make 3 double crochets into the next chain 1 space right here. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 1, make 3 double crochets into the next chain 1 space. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1 into that chain 1 space between the group of 6 double crochets that we had in the same stitch. Make 3 double crochets, chain 1 and 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1 and make 3 more double crochets into the same space. 1, 2, 3. chain 1, make 3 double crochets into the next chain 1 space. 1, 2, 3, chain 1, 3 double crochets into the next chain 1 space. 1, 2, 3, chain 1, make 3 double crochets into the next chain 1 space between the group of 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3, chain 1, and 3 more double crochets. 1, 2, 3, all in the same space. Chain 1 and continue this way until you finish the row. At the end of the row, chain 1 and make 3 double crochets into the last chain 1 space. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 1 and make a slip stitch into the first double crochet. Our first double crochet was a single crochet plus 2 chains. Make it into that second chain. Right here, both loops. Then chain 1. And cut the yarn. And hide all those tails at the back of your project back and forth. This is how it looks like at the end. Hope you like this tutorial, and if you like it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it to your friends, and write your comments down below. See you next tutorials. Bye!